Investor John, Brother Sadiq, do you know that using domestic cooking gas as a source of fuel for your generator can be very dangerous if not properly handled? Here are some things to consider before you start using or continue using that your cooking gas for your generator. First of all, the gas you are using is highly flammable and explosive, and it can get heated up easily if exposed to hot temperature. It is not advisable to put your gas cylinder close to your generator as it generates heat. Same way, it is not advisable to put your gas cylinder under the sun as this can lead to expansion, increase in temperature, and can cause explosion. So therefore, store your cooking gas cylinder in a cool, well-ventilated place outdoor, away from direct sunlight and any source of ignition. Avoid storing them near the generator or any other heated source. Secondly, you need to secure your gas cylinder properly. Put it in an erect position and not lying down aimlessly. Properly secure it with chain or any firm item to a pillar or any firm structure. This is to ensure that should there be any reason for explosion, it wouldn't cause serious disaster to people around. I'm sure you will have seen videos of gas cylinders exploding in kitchen. And let me repeat again, your gas cylinder, either for cooking or generator, should be outside. That is the ideal thing. But if your home has been designed in such a way that it doesn't allow such, make sure you inspect it regularly and do not overfill your gas cylinder. It is important to know that it is wrong to overfill your gas cylinder. Filling a 12 kg cylinder with a gas of 13 kg is wrong. In fact, you should do the opposite. If your gas is 12 kg, for example, fill it with 10 kg. Create space for any form of expansion. Gas expansion are dangerous. Another valid point is to ensure secured connections. Make sure the gas hose or pipe connecting the generator to the cylinder is securely attached and in good condition. Check for any signs of leakage, such as the smell of the gas or hissing sound. If you detect a leak, immediately turn off the gas supply and address the issue before using your generator. This tells you that you need to perform regular maintenance on your gas cylinder to ensure it is in good condition at all times. If you see some gas cylinders, you will be dumbfounded. Some gas cylinders has become rusty, weak, fragile, and can give room for explosion. Keep your gas cylinder safe always. Don't expose it to rain or sun. Mr. Sadiq, don't paint your gas cylinder when it is rusty. Don't be too wise. You are deceiving yourself. In addition, keep a suitable fire extinguisher nearby in case of emergencies. Make sure you know how to use it properly. Most importantly, educate yourself and others. Take the time to educate yourself and your family about the use of this new alternative to petrol. Understand the risks and precautions associated with using these fuels and share the knowledge with others who may operate the generator. Finally, emergency preparedness is key. Have a plan in place for emergencies. If there's a leakage where you are using it, if there's a fire while you are using it, what do? Have your plan in place. Know how to safely shut off the gas supply to your generator. Know how to use your fire extinguisher. In case you are in need of a fire extinguisher, we at Cordal Safety Consult, we can help you deliver a very good and effective one. Also, do you run an estate and you need us to create some form of awareness, safety awareness, home safety awareness? Do well to reach out to us and we'll be glad to make ourselves available. Safety should always be the top priority anytime, anywhere and everywhere. See you in the next video.